Well, hello everyone, and welcome to week 2. This is kind of an experiment to make me a real person, to kind of make it as classroomy as we can. I enjoyed reading everybody's introduction last week, kind of getting to know you a little bit. So let's get on with what we've got to do this week. Unfortunately, it's a busy week. That's what happens with an 8-week class. We have a lot of material to cover. So we're going to be discussing chapters 3 and 4, the evolution of law enforcement and public law enforcement in the U.S. So understanding these two concepts is paramount to understanding why we do things the way we do in the law enforcement arena in America. So let's check out our discussion post where we're going to be discussing. It's going to be a very interesting discussion on criminal justice and racism, the history of racism. Please keep it clean. I know that's a lot of big debate nowadays again. I entertain healthy discussion, but again, keep it professional. So, quiz number 2 is due this week. Multiple choice. There's not a whole lot to say about that other than I do grade these quizzes manually. So if you have any questions as far as you feel like maybe the questions were right when it was and it marked it wrong, please let me know. I grade them manually, so we'll take care of that, no problems. Your paper is due, your first writing assignment is due this week, History of Law Enforcement. It is standard APA format, and I want to encourage you to go to the left side of your screen. It says web links and resources. Click on that. Go to APA Purdue Owl or any other APA website, and it will show you your latest formatting, how to do APA. And even if you feel like you know it, check it out because it does change on occasion to keep up with the times. So the Purdue Owl website got me through grad school. There's sample papers on it. It's an excellent resource to help you make sure you're doing APA properly. And APA is the only accepted formatting in social sciences, so I encourage you to take a look at that. So, remember, your writing assignment must be at least 500 words, double space using 12-point font. That's all part of APA. Make sure you have a title page, a short abstract, and an abstract, really quick, if you don't know, is basically telling me, the reader, what this paper is going to tell me. So that and your reference page. Okay. Now all of your cover sheet, your abstract, your reference page does not count toward the 500 words. Sorry. Sorry. So that's that. I've included the chapter 3 and 4 PowerPoints in the course content area to help you out a little bit. So look forward to a great week. I look forward to some really interesting discussions. Also on discussions, real quick, make sure that you check those out. Probably going to be a follow-up discussion somewhere in the middle of the week. Those, I'm just wanting to know your opinion. If you include what the material says, great, but I want to know your opinion based on what you read. I want to know that you're able to have an intelligent conversation about whatever we may be discussing that week. So, please, as always, check your your announcements page. Often check your email. Often, that's my primary source of communicating with you. So, if you have any questions, email me at prphelan@fscj.edu. So, have a great week.